Today I have got one of the special fish recipe which is Bengali people have almost whenever they get it other than Ilish they have this. The name is Khoka Ilish which is little cheaper and they really enjoy having it. And it has got lot of fish bone and I personally don't like it, but I am Bengali. But in India, in Kolkata, people like it equally well, and it's so amazing taste for them. They like to purchase it at a less rate because this is cheaper. The actual original Ilish is very high rated from 700 rupees a kilo till 2000 rupees a kilo, and that is Papda Ilish or whatsoever. So today we are going to make this recipe Khoka Ilish with begun, which is eggplant or brinjal with ginger and cumin seed used to make the gravy. So let's see how we do it. I have cleaned and gutted the fish. The four fishes are 100 gram each. Put salt, turmeric powder, and then mix it with the bare hand. I will make a masala in the mixer grinder with coriander seed, cumin seed, whole green chili, one piece ginger, and peppercorn. I will blend it in a mixie, and forgot to say I am putting coriander stems, which comes with the coriander leaves, and it gives real flavor, and it's so tasty. I'm cutting the eggplant into two. Then I'll remove the upper end, then cut the brinjal into 8 to 10 pieces lengthwise, and I'm putting mustard oil, into the fry pan, allowing it to heat. You can see the steam coming from the oil, and when it's hot, I'll put the fish, all the four fishes, which is marinated. Turn the fish when one side is done. The pan is not that big, so I'm unable to put all the four fishes. So I'm putting three, then the one separately. Both the side is done. I'm removing it. After frying all the fishes, I'll put the eggplant or the brinjal and cook it till well colored and cook internally till brown. See how beautiful the color has come. When you cook this like this, so remove during after this thing. Then in the same oil, I am putting the paste what I grinded in the mixer grinder, and some more little water so that what is sticking to the mixer grinder, that water also I put in the fry pan, allowing to cook. In the meantime, I'll put salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, increase it and reduce it till water evaporates completely, or you can say the oil comes out of the gravy. Till the time you have to cook it. When it reaches this stage, see, there is no water, you can see the oil. In this stage you have to put the hot water. Anytime soon I put the hot water, and you have to ensure that it doesn't burn. That's the this is the critical point. So during this time we have to put water for two people. We are two people, so we generally put gravy as per two people, not more than that. So when this water starts boiling, you have to wait, allow it to wait, put the lid and allow it to wait for to boiling. Once boiled, I'll put other things like the fish which has been fried and kept it aside, all the fishes, and put some tomato along with the fish. Minutes. I am turning in the fish and cook it for 2 minutes. When both the side is done, I'll put the eggplant, which is and from here on I'll cook for 10 minutes under the lid. Before that I will not remove. Once done, I'll put the coriander and remove. So how beautiful this fish looks, you can see very well. I'll be doing the plating on a plate with the eggplant. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Share with your friends and families. And recipe is given at the end of the after the cooking video. So any doubt, any quantity thing you can see after the subscription page. So here is the recipe. You can always come back and comment in the page of the video, and I will definitely comment or give you answers to the questions. Thank you for now. Bye bye. See you for the next video.